Okay, welcome to an unboxing. Just got the latest from Tokyo Treat, and yeah, I wanted to try them out for quite a while now. As if you don't know, they send snacks and drinks and stuff directly from Japan. Yeah, let's see what's in it, and I'll talk about it in just a second. Let's open it up. Hey, lots of stuff here. First of all, a little comic, little magazine. Actually, yeah, that's pretty good. They explain all the different snacks in here. Little puzzle. Wow, that's good. Lots of detail. Let's see what else we got. These got a little cracked and chromed, but they look good. Cheese arare. I'll have to read the book about that. What's in there? I've seen those a lot in the stores in Japan. Never tried it before. This looks like either some gum or some chews. These would be good. These are the melon bread. I haven't had those in a long time. Those look good. And some pokey. What is it? Double pokey. White chocolate and lemon is what it looks like. That'll be good. Another just a little small thing here. Chips. Lemon chips. I guess the theme is lemon this month. Those actually might be pretty good. I'll have to check. I guess the potato famine is over in Japan. I got chips in there. More little choco stuff. Not sure what that is. Fruit donut. So maybe a little gummy something. This one's caramel corn. More little snacks. Yeah, I'll have to definitely have to read the booklet because I haven't even seen some of these before. I haven't tried them. Long thing of chocolate. Here's the one that I've been waiting for. Is the clear Coca-Cola. That's the reason I got this. Like one thing I miss about Japan is all year round, like they have a seasonal drinks, special edition drinks, and one of my favorites was Pepsi Dry. Only available a short time. That was my favorite, but yeah, I wanted to try the clear cola because I remember Crystal Pepsi back in the day, many years ago in the States. They had it, and I'm sure it just tastes the same, but it's a 0 calorie, so a little bit diet flavor. I don't know if I like that so much. But yeah, there's the Tokyo Treat for this month. I guess it'll be for August, but this is July. I got it already. And yeah, thanks for watching.